officially listed at 5'10" and 5'8", so under 5'11". And the Rams defensively have done a good job on the outstanding rookie in this game, but he is always capable of making that big play.
Like Upper Panics, I mean, you think of 6 sacks, multiple hits on Russell Wilson. He hasn't changed one iota how he plays
No,
and how he feels about that pressure and that pass rush. He is just focused, never any panic in his eyes.
Heckler, where are you going with that?
On second down and 6, Lynch.
He's going it with your nose. Oh, yeah, you throw that everywhere? Yeah.
Sadie, back up.
We're nearing the 2-minute mark.
Yeah.
Good girl. Good girl.
Sadie, toss it and see if she'll go get it.
Can't see.
Oh, come on.
She just wants someplace to curl up to lay down.
Oh.
But I've seen anything pretty much that's not square in front of her within 3 inches, you can't see it.
Today's game is sponsored by AT&T.